This is Nick Eng with the Boathouse. I want to welcome you and your family aboard this 2018 Tiara 44 Coupe. Come with us and see what this boat has to offer here in beautiful Southwest Florida. Starting out in the back of this 44 Tiara, you'll notice a hydraulic swim platform that you can put the tender that this boat comes with on the back, take it to your vacation, anchor up, hit the mooring buoy, jump in your tender, go enjoy the town. Out here on the aft cockpit of this 44 Tiara, you have two aft-facing benches, a forward-facing lounge bench with a table where anybody can sit, eat, and enjoy the day. You have your electric shade that comes out. Back here on the aft deck, you have a nice grill top and a stainless refrigerator to keep the drinks cold. Here in the salon of this 44 Tiara, everything is easy to get to and has some wonderful features. So you've got your AC and your transfer panel for your genset, shore power. Your air controls are up here. And then you have the following parts to your AC/DC panel down below here. You control your lights and systems from in here. Going across to starboard, we have a really nice galley setup. Up above, plenty of storage for plates, glasses. You've got your DVD player, a nice Kenyan glass cooktop here, microwave, drawer storage. It even has separation pins so you can keep all your plates and bowls from sliding around. Nice isotherm top and bottom stainless drawer fridge. Deep kitchen basin sink so you can actually wash pots in something this size. And a nice trash receptacle down below. Right behind your cup storage is a beautiful Samsung television with your JBL soundbar right underneath. Over to port side, beautiful L-shaped lounge, great step up so you have a nice view of the horizon while you're sitting here. Incredible air conditioning. It's got to be 85 degrees out here right now. We're sitting here with the doors open and it's comfortable. We're enjoying this. This is nicer than a center console than the boat you were doing earlier today, by the way. You look sweaty. Coming up here to your helm, everything is super easy to get to, easy to control. Your autopilot and Garmin controls right here. So you can control the Garmins from right here. You can switch your screens, go to new things. You've got your joystick Volvo docking system here and set point, digital throttles, start stop, Lenco auto trim tabs, ACR spotlight. You can control your radar through your Garmins. This particular 44, he did update the original 12-inch Garmins to 16-inch touchscreen Garmins here. So nice upgrade to this boat. Air conditioning everywhere over here on starboard and over there on port, and then coming from the ceiling as well. You've got access windows on port and starboard. So if you need to holler at the dockmaster, you're on this boat by yourself sometimes, you've got the joystick right here. You can toss a line to somebody, so it makes it nice and easy. Come with us and check out what it has to offer down below. Up here in the main stateroom on this Tiara 44 Coupe, you've got a beautiful pedestal bed, nice Samsung television, storage on both sides, port and starboard. Then you also have little private storages on either side. Controllable book reading lamps, beautiful storage for your gear, suitcases, wherever you're going on that trip, right here under the bed. Nice side hanging locker, cedar lined. You do have hard doors, so you can close off the stateroom. I'm not going to shut Marshall off in here, but I think you get the point on that. And you do have a nice ensuite head with beautiful vanity sink and a full closed stall shower. Coming down below from the salon, you've got really nice sunlight without having the solid door coming down. You got a nice sunlight coming in here to your aft cabin. First things first, you got your day head on the starboard side. This also has a full stall shower, so two full stall showers in this boat, so two people can be getting ready at the exact same time. If you follow me back into the hard door enclosed aft cabin, no pulling curtains or any nonsense like that. You've got a nice washer dryer. Nice place to sit down and get ready, put those nice pretty shoes on, get ready to hit the town. Lots of drawers, two nice full-size berths back here, fans, storage for all your gear, and a nice soft carpeted floor and your own TV back here. Thank you for joining us on this 2018 Tiara 44 Coupe. If you have any interest, give me a shout. My cell phone number is 239-851-1443, and we'll see you out there on the water.